In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do a Vlookup with Airtable. The goal here is to pull a value from one table into another based on a matching link. In Airtable, the closest equivalent to a Vlookup is a lookup field, and it works through linked records. Start by opening your Airtable base where your example table lives. Once you are in the right base and viewing the table, look for the option that says Sync Data to another base and click it. This is used when you want to bring in connected data from elsewhere so you can reference it without manually copying anything. After you click that option, you will see areas in the setup window that need your attention. Click the highlighted areas that appear on screen to move through the sync setup and confirm what Airtable is asking for. Keep going through the highlighted prompts until you see the option called Sync Linked Tables, then click Sync Linked Tables. This is important because a lookup depends on a link between tables, and syncing linked tables helps keep those connections consistent. Continue clicking through the remaining highlighted prompts to finish getting the synced content ready. Once that is in place, switch to the table where you want your looked up value to appear and click on the field called Notes. You are going to add a new field here so you can display information from the linked table. Next, click in the field area that is highlighted, then type into the field name area to name your new field. Choose a name that clearly describes what you are pulling in so it stays easy to understand later. Now select the field type by clicking Lookup. This tells Airtable that this field will display data from a related table instead of storing something you type manually. When prompted, choose the linked table as the source and select the table shown in your setup, such as Table 5. You may need to click it again to confirm the selection. Then click Choose a Field and select the specific field you want to pull in, such as number. Finally, click Create Field to finish. You should now see the lookup field populate automatically for each record based on the linked relationship. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.